Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at some of the things that we believe you should be aware of when bringing a fast food wet floor accident personal injury claim. We'll be going over some of the things that may make all the difference to your fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident claim. At Legal Expert, we're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we offer 100% no win, no fee claim service, which means that there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. In order to find out if you can claim compensation, call our free phone helpline now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Our video contains some of the things that we think you should be aware of, but maybe you think we've missed something. Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, as we'll be uploading more content just like this on a regular basis. So you've been involved in a fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident and you wish to bring a claim for compensation. But before you do, especially if you've never found yourself in this situation before, there are no doubt a few questions that you'll be asking yourself. Mainly, am I going about this in the correct way? Well, thankfully you're in the right place, as we are about to go through some of the things that we believe you should be aware of when bringing a fast food wet floor accident personal injury claim. So with that in mind, let's crack on. Number 1, make sure you're safe after your fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident. The first thing that we believe you should be aware of is that if you've been in an accident, your priority should be to ensure your own safety. We believe that you should prioritize this because if you're injured, the last thing you want to do is run the risk of being exposed to any further danger, which could make your current injuries even worse. It is understandable that in some situations you may be aware that other individuals have been involved in the incident, and it's possible that you may feel that the right thing to do is to assist them or seek assistance for them regardless of your own injuries. Whilst we can't advise on what the correct actions to take in a specific circumstance could be, if you do find yourself in this situation, the best way for you to ensure that you're in a position to help others will be by ensuring your own safety first. Number 2, ensure that you report the fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident. It's important that you report the accident in the relevant way when bringing a claim for compensation. How this is done differs depending on the circumstances of your accident. In some situations, you may need to report the accident to the police, or it could be that you must ensure that an accident report is completed. Number 3, we recommend you seek medical assistance following your fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident. After you've ensured your own safety and you've hopefully had an opportunity to ensure that the accident has been reported or logged in the appropriate fashion, we cannot begin to stress the importance of having your injuries assessed by a medical professional. This will help ensure that you'll receive appropriate medical care and treatment in order to assist your recovery. Number 4, gather as much evidence as possible for your fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident. After you've had your injuries assessed, you should hopefully have received any appropriate medical treatment and be on the road to recovery. Now, this is a period of time when you can be proactive in regards to helping ensure that your claim is as successful as possible by gathering evidence, which will help support your claim for compensation. This is because in order to bring a successful claim, you must be able to show that the incident you were involved in was caused due to the negligence of others. Remember the accident report and reports from your medical assessment that we mentioned in the previous steps? Those may be used as evidence, so make a note of where and when those were completed. Make a note of exactly when the accident happened, whether there were any witnesses, if the incident was caught on CCTV, and any other details about the accident which you think may be important. Number 5, seek legal assistance for your fast food wet floor accident personal injury incident. In our opinion, this is one of the most vital tips that we believe we could give you, and that's seeking the help of someone who has experience and knowledge of handling compensation claims just like yours. In order to be able to bring a claim with without the burden of worry in regards to things like upfront fees and covering the cost of legal services if you lose, we recommend that you enlist the services of a no-win, no-fee solicitor. Here at legalexpert.co.uk, we have experience in dealing with fast food, wet floor, accident, personal injury claims, and we offer 100% no-win, no-fee claims, which means that as long as you're honest in your account of the details of the accident, then there isn't any upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, there wouldn't be a penny to pay. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or use our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Our team may be able to discuss average payout for slip and fall UK. If somebody accidentally slips on the floor, what will you do? How much compensation for slipping on wet floor? Slipping on wet floor is what type of hazard? Slipping on wet floor with no sign, slipped on wet floor injury, restaurant duty of care to Customs UK, and what will happen if you slip on a wet floor.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis, or you can head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice on our live chat, and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.